Hello, my name is Jeff Rolka. I want to thank you for checking out my video. This is a lesson for new vocalists, beginners perhaps, or if you've been sick and had some time off, or if you're interested in greater acuity, which is to say singing more in tune. This exercise is going to cover a lot of fifths, mostly ascending, one exercise descending. Also incorporates the major third in here as well, and learning about its distance from the tonic. All of these things can help with intonation, singing in tune better. Also, learning where that fifth is in its relationship to the tonic can be essential in making sure that the overall scale construction that you're singing with is accurate. So like if you've ever gone from singing along with a guide vocal to singing along where there's no guide vocal present and there's been some intonation problems or missed melodies, this is meant to help with that. Thank you if you've chosen to subscribe or if you've shared my videos with other people or your friends. I really appreciate that. There are many ways to support this channel, including several that are absolutely free, and they're all in the description. And I hope that you'll avail yourselves of one or all of them. Now, if it's too high or too low, just pause for a second. I'm going to cover the most comfortable area for most female voices. Some will certainly be higher, some will certainly be a little bit lower, but there's plenty of space in between to practice with these exercises. We're starting off with this pattern. It's 1-5-1, so if you wanted to do this with solfege, you could sing do, so, do. And what we're going to sing is a two-part exercise. Try to do it on one breath. Sounds like this. I know you, we. Just like that, and then we'll move on to the next key. We are going to begin here, though. And now we're going to get to do that again, but I'm adding a little section to the very end of it. So we do the first part. I know you, we. Do that last 5-1 at the very end of the second pattern. This has the effect of helping us learn where the fifth scale degree is as it relates to each key as we move through them. And this is just going to help with your overall accuracy in placing that pitch. Let's start here. And I know you, we. And Next up, taking advantage of what we were just practicing in that previous exercise, these keys will start at the fifth and go to the tonic. Again, reinforcing that relationship between 5 and 1. I know, we. Once again, doing them each key area on one breath. Let's begin here. And I know, we. I know, we. Now we're going to take a look at the major third. These are all major keys. It's all major tonality. And we're going to ascend up to the third and then sing back down to the tonic. Again, learning that distance between the two. I was going to do some silly words for this, but I thought let's just do solfege. It's really fun and pleasant, in my opinion, to sing solfege. And it serves two purposes, which is that we also get a little bit of ear training happening, or at least starting here. So we're going to sing do, re, mi, do, mi, do, and then we'll move on. Do, re, mi, do, mi, do. Why don't you join in? Do, re, mi, do, mi, do. Do, re, mi, do, mi, do. Do, re, mi, do, mi, do. Keep going. We're going to take a look, or listen, or sing, of the fifth below the tonic. So before, it's all been, I know you. But now we're going to change that. I know you. We. I know you. We. Perhaps join in now. I know you. We. I know you. We. And And there you go. As always, I hope that helps. Questions or comments can be directed via Twitter or down in the comments section. As always, I hope this helps. Take really good care of your voices, enjoy singing, and hopefully we'll see you again. Bye.